Hey, this is Ron from Sleepy Circuits. Whoa, has it been another 3 months? Oh man, I must have overslept. Okay, don't wake up yet. It is time for the snooze. Today we have yet another epic roundup of the latest and greatest in the world of audio visuals. First, we'll go over with what's new at Sleepy, then get into some wider video news. On the agenda, we have a recap of our first Superbooth appearance, a new black case for the Hypno Eurorack USB expander, and another instant classic video pack, filled to the brim with oscillating goodness. But don't go back to bed too quick because we have a fresh discount code for you at the end of this video. We have just returned from Superbooth Berlin, which was our first international in-person demo. For this legendary synth super event, we were providing a sneak peek of a brand new product called Mez. Mez, that's 3 Z's, is my new wearable haptic MIDI talisman, and it will be released with an accompanying video synthesis super app. We're now hard at work to finish up this product by the end of the year, and once it's ready, a pre-order will be opened so I know how many we should order. So make sure to sign on to our mailing list to be the first to know. For more info about the demo at the conference, check out the coverage from Decimal, Mylar Melodies, Red Means Recording, and of course, the PWM freaks at Sonic State. It was a real dream come true to meet all the Sleepy users, fans, and the rest of the EU video crew. Thank you so much to everyone who came out to check the demo, and we hope to see you again next year. It's nighttime. Yes, you heard it right. Hypno's case is going black and it is not coming back. So if you want a white case for your Hypno, now is the time to buy one. Currently, the black cases are being sold separately, and after Hypno stock runs out, we'll be offering this as the default enclosure for Hypno. This case features the same openings that support almost every single type of Raspberry Pi, just like the case before it, but now it is resin printed in a smooth matte black to match this new Sleepy hoodie, so make sure to grab both in the shop. But we did not stop there. By popular demand, we're now stocking a 2 HP Eurorack USB expander for Hypno. This amalgam of angled adapters is designed to get your webcams, USB drives, MIDI controllers hooked up to your rack nice and tight. Simple and effective. Click it on our website. I have waded the donor depths of North Berlin to make an alliance with a true master of oscillographics. Cinema AV used to be the resident at Proton Limited in Dallas, Texas, has toured with the likes of Ghostly International, and now has set his sights on conquering Europe with his trusty Vectrex consoles. For his video pack, Radia 2, Cinema AV has prepared a scientific sampling of his oscillation exploration. The pack contains an electrifying collection of luminous traces for your viewing pleasure. This is a free pack, so pause this video, donate to the artist, download this pack right now, and start a life-changing journey into retro ritualistic video symbolism. And now, we have a few noteworthy releases, posts, and stories from the wider world of audiovisual art. The Cyberboy666, best known for his video sampler called Recur, has launched his very own web shop. Check out underscores.shop for a variety of fun DIY video gizmos. Lo-Fi Future has announced that they're turning their T420 into a Eurorack module. The T420 is a retro video effect that can give your videos some of that coveted lo-fi flavor, and this rackable version is looking to be a great option for those who are looking to get a bit more serious with their video processing shenanigans. The pre-order is up now, so make sure you secure one before the rush when it ships in October. Smack that link in the description. Big Popper is at it again. BPMC has just announced that HDK01 is coming to a crowdfunding platform near you very soon. This HDK01 is an HDMI video decay processor that rearranges your data for maximum glitch level. Early bird backers will be rewarded with a limited run of circuit bent V2 HD mixers. Apparently these are both shipping in September, so make sure to keep it locked on the BPMC Instagram to be the first to find out when the project goes live. The legendary French video company Synth has just released 2 new video modules, the Anime Quadrature Low Frequency Oscillator and the ISO Heli Posterizer and Bit Swapper. These are looking like a nice addition to any LZX format analog video system, especially if you're looking to recontextualize your art as a Commodore 64 fever dream. If you're into that sort of thing, definitely pick one of these up. Oh crap, you're still here. Okay, let me see here. Here's one last segment for that hungry brain. It's info time. Tonight's info is a documentary about Namjoon Park. He's a North Korean defector turned video artist who pioneered the idea that people should have intentional control of the info on the screen before videotape was even invented. If you're unfamiliar with his work, or just need a little inspiration, give the PBS documentary Moon is the Oldest TV a watch. It's a great time. And that's all I got. If you vibe with this video, use the code DARKSLEEP for 10% off on any order from our shop. Go grab one of these hoodies to match your Hypno's fresh drip. Comment, like, subscribe, and take frequent naps.